Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, Road 3A, Profile View, Primary Road. This video illustrates A. Default Profile View Settings, B. Create Stack Profile View, C. Adjust left and right profile views, D. Change names of profile views. Change the default settings, right-click Drawing Name, Edit Drawing Settings, scroll to Profile View, see 3D Profile View Labeling, see 3D Profile View Text, OK. Change default Profile View Settings, right-click, Profile View, Edit Feature Settings, Default Styles, Profile View Style. Select 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line, OK. Profile label set, profile no label set, top stack view style, 20 horizontal 5 vertical left, middle, 20 horizontal 5 vertical center line, bottom, 20 horizontal 5 vertical right, default name format, pick the current name, add dash, space, OK. Stack profile view options, stack view, yes. Number of stack views 3, gap between views 60, which is equivalent to 3 inches of drawing sheet space at 20 scale, OK. Create primary road profile view, home ribbon, profile section view, profile view icon, create profile view, general tab, select alignment, Ken Crown. Use Ken Crown for corridor and vertical control. Profile view name, parent alignment, dash, description, none. Profile view style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical, center line. Layers, C3D profile view. Show offset profiles by vertically stacking profiles. Yes, check. Next, station range, user specified range. Start at 10 plus 0, 0. End station, select 42. 00, enter. Next, profile view height, user specified, minimum elevation 400, maximum 500. You should have roughly 100 foot of profile view elevation with at least 30 feet of elevation below minimum and 30 feet above max. Next, number of stacked views 3, gap between views 60, top view 25 horizontal 5 vertical left, middle 20 horizontal 5 vertical center line, bottom 20 horizontal 5 vertical right. Select create profile view. Pick a location for the lower left corner of the profile view. Leave enough room for the height of the profile view. Use move command to move the profile view to any place as desired. Enter. Select all 3 profile views. The distance between the middle and top profile view should be 60 feet. Enter. 60. Check the bottom. Enter. 60, OK. Change the name of the top and bottom profile views. Pick the top profile view, name, Ken Crown, dash left. Pick the middle, Ken Crown CL. Pick the bottom one, Ken Crown right. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.